Hey folks, it's Andy Barrar, Handy Andy from handyandymedia.com. Today I'll be doing a review for Best Buy's blog on this product right here. It's the TheraFace Pro Facial Massager. Now, this is an 8-in-1 treatment device that uses percussive pressures to improve facial health. It also uses microcurrent therapy, light therapy, and deep cleansing to tighten skin, reduce fine lines, and tone facial muscles. In this review, we're going to start at the unboxing. We're going to show you everything that it comes with. And then we're going to set it up into my bathroom. And then I'm going to actually go through a treatment by following the videos that are provided on the Therabody website. So sit back, relax, and get your popcorn ready, folks. And cue the intro. So let's start at the unboxing of the TheraFace Pro, just so that if you are interested, you know the kind of experience that you're going to get from the unboxing. So it comes in a case and this cardboard box, which has some of the attachments, also has the USB-C cord, and that's about it. Inside the bag itself, you have the conductive gel, which is important, some more attachments, the unit itself, and then the smaller attachments with that stand that it also fits in. So here's everything out of the box that you're going to get. This is your whole kit. You want to make sure you don't lose it. You got, of course, the USB-C and the unit, the smaller attachments, the larger attachments. You'll notice the bristle one does have a case on it and this nice stand where it sits inside your bathroom. And of course, the conductive gel. When this runs out, folks, you're going to have to buy some more. So they got you that way. So let's go ahead and show you what it looks like inside my bathrooms. You know, you can kind of make a nice little workstation, have everything set up nicely, because this is something that you're going to have to do again and again. So you want to make sure that you have some kind of a workstation. This is not obviously ideal. I'd probably make a shelving system for it. But I just want to show you how the attachments work. It's all magnetic, and I have to say it feels very premium, very Apple-like in terms of the quality and the design of everything. They do have 3 buttons on there that allow you to turn it on, set the vibrations and settings and such, and also turn the light on as well. So you have different kind of settings, three different settings, super easy to use. It also has that display there that can kind of tell you what the battery life is. And it also can recognize what head attachment is on at the same time. So a lot of intelligent features that go inside the TheraFace Pro that you really have to respect. But you can see the vibrations, the percussion movements going on right over there. And again, you press the buttons and you can speed it up. So slow, medium, and fast. 3 different modes for the percussive side of the TheraFace Pro. And that you're going to actually put on your skin, so you can go whatever preference that you feel works for you. So I'm just taking the attachments off and I'm going to put on another one. This is basically like an 8-in-1 device. So here I'm putting that bristle on because I'm going to start one of the first treatments. And this is interesting because it does have that cap because it's going to be on your face. So here I'm starting by getting my face lathered up with the cleanser as per the app, or I was watching the videos. Here's the video right here. So I'm basically following the instructions because this is a routine that TheraFace has made. And there's a specific way that you actually roll it across your face. So they give you guidelines of basically starting at your chin and then working up towards your ear on one side, and then you do it again on the other side. So I had to watch this video multiple times to try to get used to it. I'm not sure if this was made for beards or not, but it did feel very good and clean using that bristle with the cleanser. Now the next step is this conductive gel and then putting on that attachment for the rolling one. So I'm putting the gel on, or the conductive gel here, and you leave it on your face, and then there is that conduction that happens with that attachment. So again, this is a routine. This is something that you're going to probably do daily if you want to see the results. You can't just do this once or twice like I am right now and expect your skin to be glowing and radiating. It is definitely something that you're going to get a habit to. It's kind of like brushing your teeth, except now you got this routine, this facial, routine where you can get facials at home. But you got to put the work, you got to put the effort in like I'm doing right now. And I'm like realizing that this is a lot of effort. So here it shows you exactly the technique. You would basically roll it onto one side. And again, I highly recommend that you watch this video over and over again. You don't want to start getting bad habits. Get used to it. Get the routine so it becomes second nature to you. and then later on it goes onto the forehead. So I'm trying my best. I feel like I'm like lawning, like a lawnmower on my face. I can't help but doing that. So I got some old habits, but I did watch that video several times while I was doing this. It was sitting right on the counter there, and I'm trying to watch it and trying to follow those lessons. Now let's look at the light treatment of the TheraFace Pro. As I mentioned, it has a LED red light, a blue light, and an infrared therapy aids for various skin problems. So I'm just toggling through it. It's not supposed to be touching your head, but that little attachment there is supposed to go in front. I was supposed to use a flat one. That one, the bristle one, was actually the wrong attachment. I did switch it before I was doing the treatment on my face. And you can see it here. Again, you need to watch those videos, figure out the right way of going through it. I think you start with your neck and then you work your way up onto the face where I am right now. And I'm basically just trying to figure out this technology about how this improves the skin, but that's what it is designed to do. Again, the TheraFace Pro is an 8-in-1 device using percussive treatments and light therapy to tighten skin, reduce fine lines, and tone facial muscles. So you just got to put the effort in, is basically what I'm trying to say. If you want to get the results, you got to put the effort. Don't expect to do 1 or 2 times and your skin's going to change. It happens over time. And I think that's the main thing I want people to realize from this review, is that you got to be ready to make that commitment if you want to get the results with the TheraFace Pro. Well, I hope you enjoyed this review of the TheraFace Pro. If you did, please smash that like button, leave your comments below. I'd love to know what you think of it if you've used it before. And of course, subscribe to this channel. If you want more information about your boy, hit me up on my website, handyandymedia.com. I also have a YouTube channel where I do a lot of DIY, how-to, gardening, tech, you name it, I'm probably doing it. It's not the way that you're supposed to make channels. You're supposed to be very niche, but I'm all over the place because that's the kind of guy that I am. Anyways, my name is Andy Barrar, Handy Andy, signing out. We'll see you again next time.